Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I've decided I'm not doing that intro anymore. I don't know why, I've just sort of decided on the spot, so here we are. Anyway, today I'm doing a room tour of my studio, my office, the place I'm in every single day of my life. To be honest with you, it's very, very rarely clean like it is right now, but I've just been on holiday and I've just come back and I thought, you know what, it's time for a room tour. We're also looking to move house in the beginning of this year, so I thought, let's get you a room tour before it's gone.
A few moments later.
If I didn't tell you I'm ill. It's probably not the best time to do this because I'm really ill, but here we are, so just ignore my voice. But here we go, come with me. So this is what it's looking like when you come into the room. There's a lot going on in here, so we're gonna just start from over here. Okay, so first up we've got this mirror. Hello to me. It's so cute. I actually did this myself, so you can see the purple frame. This is actually just a plain white mirror from IKEA. I painted it, I put the vinyl stickers on and stuff, and it looks cute. The same with these photo frames. They were just plain white photo frames. I got the prints online and then I painted the frames. I made these little mirrors I was gonna sell on Charings once, but thank God I didn't do that. So I've got some plants here which are pretty much not really surviving too well, but you know. Here is my cabinet. Now it is full of random stuff. This is my mini fridge where I keep my snacks. I have my printer which is currently broke. It broke just before I went on holiday, so I need to buy a new one of them. This is just my earring stand which is full of earrings that I wear on a daily. And then if there's some that I want to wear, I'll just pick it off the wall basically. Here is some thank you cards and stock like that. These are notepads that's coming soon, a very big sneak peek for you if you're watching this. Here is some other items that are coming soon in a Valentine's launch, so keep an eye out for that, the 31st of Jan. Here is a box of my Lucky Dips. So I put my Lucky Dips in here every Friday, and then I've just got sort of storage in there really. And then again, there's more storage in here, so like packaging. I've got like just all sorts of random stuff in these boxes, and there's some more boxes back there too. These storage boxes are literally a lifesaver for this room. They look cute and you can stack them up, so I've got quite a lot of them around. I won't show you in there because it's just pure junk. Look at this little squishy. I don't know why it's in there, but I've had it for years. In here, nail stuff. And kind of like junk. In here, I've got some paint and I got beads for bracelets. In here is my glitter drawer, so you can see all different glitters. A lot of it's from Jam Pot glitter. But all sorts of different glitters I've just been collecting over the years. And then this one is my wax melts. And in this cupboard, again, it's like paper and stuff on my printer. Nothing too exciting. So then my oven is here. These are my little oven mitts, they're great. Just for pulling the earrings out of the oven. On top, I've got a little plant pot here. My boyfriend got it for me for Valentine's last year. A candle, another candle, this lamp, and then some prints. And then up here is my shelving unit. This kind of is like a real waste of space right now because it does look cute, but I could really do with the storage space at the moment. So when I move, it'll definitely be different. Here are some more storage boxes with like bigger cutters and texture mats, stuff like that. Then there's just all this decor, to be honest. There's no point really getting into it, but you can see it all. There's another vase that my boyfriend got for Valentine's. He also got me this, which is like an affirmations thing, so you can flip it every day and see what it says. I actually always have this on my desk, but I've just put it up here for a minute while I cleaned my room. I allow myself to see clearly. Beautiful. And then here, you might be thinking, what the hell has happened there? So when I was decorating my room, I felt creative. I just shouldn't have felt creative at that moment because it is not cute. And now I'm just stuck with this child's painting on the wall. Here's my weekly planner that I don't fill out. And I knew I wouldn't from the moment I bought it, but I still bought it just in case. Down here is like a place that does not fill me with joy. It's basically all my packaging boxes, but it's just always a mess. Like, it's kind of neat right now, but this just turns into a mess so quickly. But it's got all the different sizes and colours of packaging boxes. Goes back there as well. And then we're moving on to the desk, where I spend all of my days. Right here in this chair. So I've got this Charings thing here from a small business. And then in my drawers, now I don't want to show you this drawer, okay, because it's never looked like this before. I just shoved some stuff in it before I went on holiday and I really need to organise it. But here are all my different findings and stuff. But again, bad time to show you that because it doesn't usually look that bad. It's actually quite satisfying. Usually looks a bit more like this one. This is all my charms and stuff that I put on earrings. A lot of them I just buy for fun. I see them and I want it, but I never end up finding a time to use it. But it is good to have all these different pearls and stuff. Got all these different like fruits, gold flakes, little silver balls, like stars, all sorts of stuff. Holographic glitters and stuff down the side. Okay, this one is my cutters. Again, this isn't usually in here. I need to organise it. But these are all my cutters in here. They're in these boxes so I can just lift them out, which is really handy. They're all organised, so like animal, food, flowers, stuff like that. And I just obviously just shoved that in there when I was on holiday, but they're all my Christmas ones. This one is literally just my paperwork, like nothing exciting. And this one, again, it's like PPE, lamp, UV lamp, stuff like that. On my desk here, I've got my Charring sign, a candle, cherry bakewell. I've got a Jo Malone candle that absolutely ripped me off. Tell me why this tiny candle was £26. Believe me, if I knew it was that size, there was no way I was going to order that, but hey ho, we're going to move past that. In this one, I've got little tools from a Temu video that's going to be coming soon. I've got my croc charms in there, character charms and ribbons. And then in here is where my clay is. So this is how I store all my polymer clay at the moment, but I do really want to change it because it's just not really too practical. I've named them for like as colours, but as you can see, like a lot of them you can't open. You can only fit a certain amount in there. It's a bit of a pain, so it's not the best system. Maybe if I had like 3 more of these and I could separate it out, that would be great. But yeah, this is like basically where all my clay is at the moment. On top here, I've got these. So I've got some cotton wool pads there and some cotton buds. I use these quite a lot when clearing up earrings and stuff. I've got hand creams. My hands get so dry when I'm using clay. And then I've got this one. This is actually from Halloween, but I've still got a bit left in it. And then just the self-love loops. And then here we've got these 3 crates. This one just has some tools like my drill and stuff like that in it, my rolling pin. That one has larger clay, so I get some in batches. The bottom one has earrings that are like imperfect, so they're just there. I don't know whether to sell them or what to do with them, basically. Then here is my little stationery section. I've got some scissors, highlighters, Charings pens, all that sort of stuff. A small business made me this pen, which is really cute. A lot of small businesses actually send me stuff for free, which is so sweet. I love when I get to try new businesses and stuff. I buy a lot anyway from small businesses. Anyway, here are my stickers, my sticker sheets and stickers that I sell in my shop. And then here is my peg wall. Let me turn the light on. I've got a button right underneath, a secret one. And it turns on my light in above my desk. So this is my earring wall. It's probably quite bad lighting right now because the sun's coming through. But here I have all my liquid clay, glue, resin, things like that. Up here is where my earring backs are, so my stud ones and my normal ones. And then at the back I've got 2 more sections for seasonals, like if it's Halloween and stuff like that. Another small business gifted me this little rug. It's so cute. It's like my logo. Then I've got these 3 here. This one's got a lot of the pointer tools in. It's It's really handy to have a lot of these, lots of different sizes and stuff. This has got a lot of my like pliers and blades in, and then here is a lot of paintbrushes and just brushes in general. And then on the wall are just my earrings that I've got in stock at the moment. It's looking a little bit bare because, well, I've just been on holiday and all the Christmas stuff's gone, so usually this section here is where I put my new stuff. So you can see here another sneak peek, some Mickey micro studs and some cherry earrings. These are going to be coming for the Valentine's launch, but I don't know when to launch them ones. So yeah, so it's looking a bit bare right now, but usually there's a lot more earrings than this up. And then on my desk, all I have at the moment are just these. I've got 4 big ones, 3 small ones. They're ceramic tiles. That's what I work on for my earrings. And then this actually is so cool. My brother got me this for Christmas. Let me turn it on so you can see. The only issue is it is a bit noisy, but when it's dark, it looks so cool. I've actually wanted one of these for ages. I don't know why, but I just think they're so cool. It's got a little fish floating in it, and it lights up and stuff at night, but it's just cute to have. I don't know. Don't you think it's cute? Here are just some like sentimental pieces on the wall. I'm hoping to build that up this year a little bit more. But this is from a TV show that I'm on this year, so keep an eye out for that. I'll update you when I know when it's coming out, but I think it's like February time. Now on my desk here, my notebook, whatever, I've got my thermal printer. I've actually got a whole video on that coming soon. It might already be out, but Mum Bin kindly gifted me all of this just before Christmas, so I've done a video for them on that, but it is so cute and it works so well. It's definitely a great upgrade from the one that I had. It's so silent, it's quick, oh, it's literally perfect. Here is my pasta machine. This is what I use to put through all my clay, and of course it's pink. Here's my microphone for voiceovers mainly, and like if I'm playing games and stuff. And then here is like it originally was like my gaming setup, but now it's kind of my desk for my business. But I've got my PC under here. I actually love this. Look how cool it is. And then my setup here. So I've got this curved screen monitor. I don't know if you can see that. It's a white curved screen. And then I've got my speaker underneath, my keyboard, my mouse, and my mouse mat. It's a bit dirty. I think I need a new one now. But that's like my little setup there. I do have some shelves above, so you can see here. I actually used to be a makeup artist and used to do makeup on social media, so I used to get a lot of PR boxes. So Disney sent me a box before with Makeup Revolution. That was really cool. Makeup Revolution, it's just a really big one that I just couldn't believe I got. Jeffree Star, we got some boxes here. I've actually got massive boxes in the loft full of skincare and makeup that I can't fit in here anymore, because this actually used to be my makeup room, so I had to sort of put it into boxes. So these are all face masks in these two. Pixie sent me this giant blush. They sent me the smaller ones inside it, so I thought that was kind of cool, so put that on display. Pixie again, but this was their 25-year anniversary. It's like a really cute crate thing. They sent me my own glow tonic with my name on it, which is kind of cute. And then these are some of my Jeffree Star lipsticks. I used to literally be obsessed with him, still am a little bit. This is what my makeup page used to be called. And then I've got this massive one from Benefit they recently sent me. They also sent me a giant hula up there and a mojito. And then here are just some of my palettes. I literally had to whittle them down into this little box, but all the rest are in the loft. Here I have a lot more of them crates that I was showing you. Like I said, really handy. A lot of them are empty now because I had to clear out before Christmas, but it's handy to have some empty so that I can fill them with stock. And then this is like sort of not businessy. It's a bit of a mess too, but this is my like makeup area that I've got left. So you can see here, like, I've got this makeup mirror that was actually gifted to me. This is one of my biggest gifted products, was this massive mirror. I think it was about £500 or something. They gifted it and I could not believe it. But I've got my makeup brushes here. And I've got this spinning thing here, which is like stuff that I use every day, like my moisturizers and stuff like that. I got my mirror, the same brand from this mirror also gifted me this mirror too. It's filthy though, but I do use it every day. I've got this little bit here where I put all my hair tools. Again, a lot of this was actually gifted to me. The hair like waver, they gifted me this, another one, and a hairdryer, but I think it was this hairdryer actually. Is this mermaid hair? Yeah, they sent me that one as well. So majority is gifted. And then these are just my makeup drawers. I won't go into them too much, it's a bit boring really, it's not ready to do in my office, but there's just all my makeup drawers full of stuff and a mess basically. But that's basically it. This is my makeup section. I've got some frames up there which I did years ago. It's like my sort of old flowers of the logo. You can see they've changed a little bit since then. I do have some drawers here as well and some storage underneath. In these drawers there's spare earrings, so bits that I haven't managed to complete yet, like our bluey and bingo earrings. They need sanding and putting together, just not got around to it yet. In this one are stickers and tissue paper. This one is kind of random, but mainly hair clips. Again, really random, but this is a lot of stuff that small businesses send me, or freebies I get in orders from small businesses and stuff that I kind of just keep in here. And then here is just all my electrical stuff. And that is basically my room tour. Sorry about my throat. I would do more in depth, but I can't talk for much longer. So thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed. Let me know in the comments if you've got any questions. Please do subscribe to my channel and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.